Cinnamon is one of the most popular spices in both North America and Europe. It is commonly used as an ingredient in cakes, pies, cookies, and other desserts sprinkled over dozens of other foods, as an alcohol flavoring, or even as part of the seasoning in some beef or lamb recipes. In this video, we will tell you about some alternative uses of cinnamon that will surely surprise you. From beauty products to breath fresheners, cinnamon can be applied in several different ways to achieve effective results in a variety of fields. 1. Health benefits of cinnamon. Although cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, its claimed health benefits are not properly supported by medical evidence. With that being said, here are a few ways it is believed to help you improve your health. Reduce inflammation. Research shown that Sri Lankan cinnamon is one of the most effective anti-inflammatory foods. If you suffer from chronic inflammation, very common in age-related diseases, you can try to incorporate this specific type of cinnamon into your diet to see if it helps. Decrease the risk of heart disease. A few studies found that cinnamon can help decrease triglycerides levels, thus decreasing the risk of heart disease. Improve insulin sensitivity. Some experts believe that eating cinnamon could help prevent blood sugar spikes and improve insulin sensitivity. These two factors can help prevent health complications such as diabetes type 2. Fight fungal infections. Cinnamon oil can help fight fungal infections due to its antibacterial properties. 2. Lip plumper. If you want to make your lips look more sensual and fleshy, you don't have to follow Kylie Jenner's weird lip plumper technique that consisted of using a lip plumper tool to create a pulsating vacuum around your lips to make them look temporarily fuller. Cinnamon is a natural lip plumper. Apply Vaseline on your lips and gently spread a tiny bit of cinnamon on top, as if it were some kind of lip gloss. The cassia oil present in the cinnamon will irritate your mucous membrane and increase blood circulation around that area, giving your lips the look you are after. Just make sure to apply Vaseline before and after spreading cinnamon to prevent severe irritation. 3. Breath freshener. Dealing with bad breath can be really awkward for both the person who suffers from it and the ones around him. If you have proper oral hygiene, you should talk to your dentist and ask him to check you to determine the cause behind your bad breath. They can range anywhere from mouth infections to metabolic disorders. Meanwhile, you can chew on a few cinnamon sticks to make your breath more pleasant. 4. Hair growth treatment. You can use a cinnamon mask to stimulate hair growth. Here's how it works. Cinnamon has the ability to exfoliate the scalp, allowing for healthier follicles to grow and protect your hair. At the same time, it increases blood flow, improves circulation, thus also stimulating rapid hair growth. There is a simple recipe for a homemade cinnamon mask. Simply mix equal parts of cinnamon powder and honey, 1 cup each, in a bowl with half a cup of warm olive oil. Apply it to your scalp in the region affected by hair loss and leave it to act for 15 minutes before washing. It is recommended to do this procedure once a week for optimal results. 5. Ant repellent. For some reason, ants seem to really hate cinnamon. If you often have ants invading your kitchen, sprinkle cinnamon along the window sills or on the floor to deter them from entering your house. If the cinnamon gets wet, just clean it and replace it because it won't be effective anymore. Cinnamon oil can also function as a homemade insect repellent. Add a few drops to your sunscreen and enjoy yourself in nature without having to deal with annoying mosquitoes interfering with your inner peace. 6. Anti-acne face mask. Acne can become a significant problem from the moment it affects a person's self-esteem, which can lead to an increase in anxiety. If you suffer from this problem and you've tried everything to get rid of acne, here's one more thing you can do before scheduling an appointment with a dermatologist: a cinnamon and honey face mask. Mix 3 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon in a small bowl, then put it in the microwaves for about 30 seconds. Apply it to your face, be careful, it may be too warm, and let it sit for about 10 minutes before you rinse it off. This mixture will kill the bacteria responsible for your skin's inflamed pores, and the cinnamon will also shrink your pores and clean dead skin cells, making your skin feel smoother, which makes it a wonderful scrub for dry skin. 7. Air freshener. Cinnamon has a very pleasant aroma that can spread and leave the space with a fresh and lovely smell. That's why many people use it as an air freshener, especially inside the car. Give a try to see if you like it. Its aroma may be too sweet for your taste. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We post video daily. If you want more, make sure to check these videos.